How's it going there, YouTube? Well, decided to come outside and play for a little while because now the sun's out shining. It was raining up here this morning. This is, of course, Sunday morning. Oh, I was out in the old back tin building there. I'm wanting to get this seat put back together so I can get it painted and get it back on that W4 so I can actually move the thing out of the way. Yesterday, I did actually get Grandpa's tractor on. I had the old Hart-Parr going there a little bit. Didn't really get too much YouTube footage, but a little clip there. I didn't get any crank starts or anything because honestly, wasn't expecting it to start that easily. I went out there and put fuel and some water in the rod and a couple pulls in the crank and away it went. And quite honestly, I got kind of irritated at that W4 because the battery was flat again, but I got on the trickle charger now. But I think a new battery might be in order for that. You know, if I do decide to sell it, then I'll put a new battery in it. So anyway, back here in the shed here. This here pin is out of that W4 seat because I took the seat pan off and I pulled this pin. This is where it kind of articulates here. Pin goes in this hole here. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to get it on camera. It's kind of dark in here. But in here, there's supposed to be a sleeve. And when I took the seat off, the sleeve literally crumbled in my hand. So this pin, you can see it's quite worn there. So it's this, when it's worn like the way it is, and it's kind of oblong in there, the seat, like when you're sitting on it, likes to rock back and forth a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to find a bolt around the same diameter as this. This is about a 9/16 pin. And I'm going to put it in there, and I might have to drill the hole out a little bit and kind of clean it up, but that's okay. It'll take care of some of that seat slop. That way you don't think you're going to fall out of the seat. But anyway, I was back here, and I found an old box of stuff Grandpa had. That's a seat pan, by the way. It's back here looking around and stuff, and I didn't know if I had any bolts that big anymore. So I got rid of a whole lot of stuff not that long ago. A big box of bolts and stuff. I don't think I had anything that big anyway. So I got looking in the one box I had back there, and I found some interesting stuff, and I figured it's just like antiquing in your own backyard. So, other than, of course, having tractors back here. Oh yeah, by the way, I'll show you this too. Kind of out here dinking around with this W4 again. I got some of the linkage back in. I got the throttle linkage back in, choke lever. Painted that bracket for this switch and rewired the switch back up. So everything's hooked back up there. I wanted to paint this voltage box today, but didn't feel like coming out here doing a whole heck of a lot this morning. But anyway, this box here, I was looking to find another pin or something. Found all kinds of unusual stuff. Of course, that's for a grease gun. Must have been a pin my grandfather was beating on or something, because it's all mush from the end there. What really kind of caught my attention, not sure what this is. I wonder if it's maybe a foot peg or something. It's got a JI Case Eagle stamped, and I put a story on Instagram there. But anyway, it got the JI Case logo in there, the eagle on top of the globe, of course. That there's the part number, if you guys can catch that. There's a few of them in here. Like that one's got no stamping. It's got a part number. I don't think I'll be able to get it on camera. Not quite sure just what these are for right now. There's another piece of a grease gun. Still got old grease in there. Grease tube early. I wonder if that pin there would work, but it's kind of small. Might have another use for that yet though. All kinds of them back here. Got some more of these. This one here I think might be a foot peg though, for something. That there I thought might work, to cut the carriage bolt head on it. I might be able to cut a thread in that, but I think it'd be awful hard to cut that. But I think that'll work for pins a little bit longer, but can make it work. That says White on it. Like White Farm Equipment maybe, or maybe George White. Not sure. A bunch of these grease cups in here though. Not exactly sure what it's off of, but don't think you'd call that antique, but you know, some scrap metal there anyway. Exhaust clamp off something. I haven't been in this box, I don't think, since I moved up here. Another exhaust clamp off something. Another kind of grease tube. This must have been on, I bet you that was on the Eagle tractor or something like that. Got a little grease cup on it. Piece of doweling. This is no box of stuff, of course, I found here. Some more little grease tubes and whatnot. I'm willing to bet you those did come off the Eagle tractor. Another one there. Another one of these, what's that one saying on there? Part number? I don't know. Looks like 01 something on there. Don't know. Eyeballs don't work that good. Another one of those grease cups. And there's just a bunch of fittings and whatnot down there too. Another grease cap. Come here. Not sure what that used to be. Good old heavy chunk of something. Got some weight to her too. Piece of, could be a binder chain or something there. Here's an old square chain link. There's just some other little small stuff. There's some bits of chain, little grease fittings and whatnot. Keep digging around there, you get your hands all dirty. It's more of a recent piece there. Anyway, that's what was in that box, but I don't know, maybe someone can tell me what all these little guys are here. Don't quite remember. Don't exactly remember right now what they're for. But anyway, I'm gonna diddle this W4 a little bit. Oh, I was thinking about trying to get that drawbar back together, but I gotta paint it still. I'm gonna get that, hoping to get that gas tank painted up here one of these weekends. But anyway, that's another video for another day, but might have another video for you guys tonight or tomorrow, because I wanted to do that one, what the Steam Show season cost me last year. And I also want to mention too, if you guys are still watching, the Quarth Antique Power Show did get canceled, so not sure what that was, maybe a crow or something. Anyway, yeah, the Quarth Antique Power Show got canceled this year, so I guess we'll just look at the tractor sitting in the shed once again. So anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.